So hello guys, in today's video we are going to make a Telegram channel. If you are watching this video by searching on YouTube, then I hope you have a Telegram account. But if you don't have it, go to your Play Store and search for Telegram. So here you will get to see Telegram, install it and make your account in it. This is a very simple method, just like we log into our WhatsApp. We will log into our Telegram account in the same way. There is nothing wrong with this. If you log into WhatsApp from your mobile number, then you have to log into Telegram in the same way. So to make a Telegram channel, simply open the Telegram app. As soon as you open the Telegram app, you will see the Telegram interface like this. To make your Telegram channel, simply click on this pen icon. And after that, all the contacts in your mobile will be seen below. And if you pay attention above, you will see three options. First is new group, second is new secret chat, and third is new channel. So you just have to click on new channel. As soon as you click on new channel, you will see a page like this. And here you will see written create channel. You just have to click on this button. As soon as you click on create channel, you will come to this page. So the first thing you have to do is give the name of your channel here. What name do you want to keep for your Telegram channel? I want to keep the same name of my Telegram channel as my YouTube channel. So I put the name of my channel here. After writing the name of the channel, you will see the description below. So in the description you have to write the same thing. You have to mention the same thing about which you are making your Telegram channel. The content that is on my YouTube channel, almost the same content will be on my Telegram channel. That's why I write the description of my YouTube channel in my Telegram channel. So I have written the description in Hindi on my YouTube channel, that's why I have written my description in Hindi here too. If you want, you can mention your description in English too. After that, you will see the camera icon on the left side. Here you will see a small plus. You have to click on it to put the logo of your Telegram channel. As soon as you click on this camera icon, your gallery will open. Now you have to find your logo from here, the logo you want to put here. So let's find a logo and put it here. You don't get your logo from here. You have to move this gallery page a little up. As soon as the page is up, you will see the gallery option here. You just have to click on this gallery. As soon as you click on the gallery, all the folders in your mobile will be there. And if there is a photo in that folder, you will see the name of that folder here. So I have kept the logo of my channel in the download folder. That's why I click on download. You select from here that in which folder your logo is. After that you have to click on the logo of your channel. So your channel logo will look something like this. If you want to make the size of your logo smaller or bigger, you can zoom in and zoom out from here. And now you will see a side tick button on the right side down corner. Simply you have to click on it. So the logo of your channel will be saved here. After doing all this, you will see another side tick button on the right side up corner. So you just have to click on this side tick button. As soon as you click on it, you will see something like this. And here you will see two options: public channel and private channel. So you have to let it click on public. And you have to come down here on the public link. And here you have to make a link of your channel. So let's make a link of our channel. So while making the link of the channel, one thing to note is that you do not have to give space in any word. If this link is available on Telegram, then you will see available here after this link. If this link is not available, then you will see unavailable in red color. So after making the link of your channel, click on this right tick. So then your mobile contact will open. Let me see, if you want to send your channel link to any friend, you can select from here. If you do not want to send your channel link, then you can click from here and unselect it. And after that you will see a button with an arrow here. Simply you have to click on it. So finally you will come to the page of your channel. Your Telegram channel will look something like this. I hope you guys liked the video. Until next video, bye.